This video will become a story of either how we lost our drone or how we recovered our drone. Which one will it be? We don't know yet. Fingers crossed.
Hola, namaste.
This is Pubali.
This is Sindranil and we are Paradise Catchers.
We are an Indian couple living in Costa Rica and we bring to you stories about traveling and digital nomad life in Latin America.
We lost our drone today, somewhere there. We are still smiling, but
He's crying inside.
We are having an early breakfast today because we'll check out by 7:30 a.m. Why? Because it's going to be a long day.
finally got our first bus to the first destination, La Union, and then we will take the second bus to close to that place. Our second ride, the taxi. We have reached a place, it's middle of nowhere. Now we have to take a left turn to reach El Cacao, which is the final destination that we are looking for.
I thought of walking, but it will take 4 hours to walk down to that place, and we have to return as well to get the bus back to San Salvador.
Yes,
But
it's
our
high on the hill. But our friend is keeping the hope high that we will probably get a car with which we can hitchhike to that place. So let's see. And it's also Sunday, so not many cars around.
We are in the middle of nowhere inside a private property in search of the drone. So we started at 7:30 in the morning from where we were staying in San Miguel, and we had to take a bus, and then from there we took a taxi, and from there we did not find any transport to come to this place. However, a police van was passing by and we explained them the situation, and they came with us. They drove us up till here, and now we are waiting. Our friend Manuel.
Claro. Estamos esperando que Neil venga con el dron. Ojalá sí.
Gracias. So we are waiting here with Manuel and with another police officer, while Indranil and the other police officers went down the hill. There's no road, no more road till the location of the drone. So they're walking for the search operation of the drone. So we still don't know if we'll find it or not, but I'm so happy because everyone here is so helpful. Everyone here is so kind, Manuel and the police. So we are grateful that we are getting all this help in a foreign land so far away from home, and still hopeful about the drone. Let's see.
Still didn't get the drone. At the place you can see lots of trees.
It has been more than 1 hour since Indranil and the policemen walked down this hill in search of the drone. At this point, I'm starting to get a bit anxious because we don't know where they are, and none of us have phone signals. We cannot contact each other. Manuel and I and one of the policemen are waiting here, and Indranil and the other policemen are down there searching for the drone. Honestly, at this point, I'm not even thinking of the drone. I just want my husband back.
No.
So we are coming back. We tried a lot but didn't get the drone. It's probably stuck in the trees, and there are so many trees there, and the small drone, it's very difficult to find. So we were looking for the drone 20 meters around the last location that DJI was showing, but still we couldn't find it, and there is no battery left. So we couldn't tie it with the remote controller and then show it and then charge up some kind of red signal. So we tried for a long time, 4 of us, and then we are coming back. Although we got some beautiful views on our way and some beautiful birds, but we are going to lose most of our videos from our drone from El Salvador. That's a pity. The kind of help that we received from the police personnel here is amazing. I can't believe they drove us 10 kilometers and then help us with the search. It's really amazing. And there's no trail, particularly towards the end. So really we had to walk through the jungles.
Okay, so we did
Done
not
with our journey, or done with our
the drone rescue operation, but we did not find it. However, we are very thankful to the police officers here in El Salvador. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Emerson.
Emerson y
Edwin.
Edwin y
Carlos.
Carlos y
Targueta. Ferreira.
jefe.
Sí.
Is jefe de
the team.
the boss of this team. They have been very helpful, and of course with our friend, well, we did not find the drone, but we are grateful that we found these kind people who helped us. They are with us the police are with us for 3 hours now, just to help us find our drone, and we are also going to go back. So we are very grateful, and this is how kind people are in El Salvador. There is not much good reputation about El Salvador, but if you visit here, if you visit this country, you will know that the people are really kind and everyone goes out of their ways to help the visitors. Gracias a todos. Thank you so much. That island is Nicaragua. Remember to subscribe to our channel Paradise Catchers for our travel videos from El Salvador. Until then, here's one last look at the road that leads to our lost drone.